Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Refrigerator Dairy Door. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Dairy Door. The Dairy Door covers up the dairy section in the refrigerator. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the fresh food door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the Dairy Door. It's right here on the top of the fresh food door. In order to get it off, you just have to lift up on it and then kind of flex one side in so the little pin comes out. Once you have it free, you can pull the other side off, pull it off the door. Here's the old Dairy Door next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Dairy Door in, we're just going to put one side in first and get it to go in there. And then hold it while we bend the other side and put this side in. Once you have the new door installed, you can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.